V okviru največjega srečanja predstavnikov investitorjev in delničarjev Investors Week, ki je septembra potekalo v Ljubljani, so številni mednarodni gostje, predstavniki investitorjev iz 55 držav, med drugim obiskali Postojnsko jamo in Jamski dvorec. V dogovoru z vodstvom Luke Koper so si ugledni gostje ogledali kapacitete, potenciale in vizijo našega strateško pomembnega pristanišča in logističnega centra.
We are the most northern Adriatic port. It means the shortest and the cheapest inland destination to all European and Central European countries. We are handling 17 million tons of cargo yearly. From these 17 million tons, 600,000 containers or 550,000 cars, vehicles.
From the economical side, I thought it was very interesting to see the Port of Koper because I didn't know and I was not aware that this was such an important port for Europe.
It had the same characterization we've seen everywhere. Very clean, very green, very well managed. And our host there, very articulate, answered all of our questions. But more importantly, from an economic point of view, saw the activity that was there and the growth of the organization. So that was a very exciting part of the trip. So we're enthused about Slovenia.
Ogledu koprskega pristanišča je sledil obisk Pirana, kjer je goste sprejel župan Peter Bosman, ki je priložnost izkoristil za predstavitev nekaterih najvidnejših projektov, za katere občina išče investitorje.
Well, look here, it's a very beautiful city of Piran. The weather is great and we are doing a lot of very interesting things. We were very warmly welcomed by the mayor of Piran and we have so many things to do, I could not even go to the beach for a swim.
Mednarodni gostje so dan zaključili v Grand Hotelu Bernardin, kjer so, kot v sklopu celotnega investitorskega tedna, ponovno ugotavljali, da ima Slovenija izjemne potenciale ter da se bodo zagotovo še vrnili tako v poslovnem kot zasebnem kontekstu.
I am very fond, of course, of Ljubljana, a beautiful city. I've been here certainly 5 times to Piran and to Portorož and Bernardin and so on. It's a lovely part of the world.
Pred zaključkom obiska slovenske obale so se predstavniki investitorjev ogledali tudi videoreportažo Investo TV o pestrih in intenzivnih dogajanjih v sklopu Investors Week, ki ga je organiziralo Vseslovensko združenje malih delničarjev VZMD v okviru njegovega programa Investo Slovenija, Investo.si, skupaj s Svetovno federacijo investitorjev, Evropskim združenjem delničarjev Euroshareholders in Evropsko federacijo uporabnikov finančnih storitev Eurofinius. Podprla pa ga je tudi Evropska komisija. V okviru investitorskega tedna so se sicer zvrstili številni protokolarni in konferenčni dogodki, večerni sprejem v hotelu Slon, dvodnevna mednarodna konferenca in sejem Investo Expo, ki je potekala v Cankarjevem domu, podelitev nagrade Polet za zgledno korporativno upravljanje, ki jo je prejela družba Gorenje, županov sprejem in podelitev nagrade delničarjem prijazna družba Družbi Krka na Ljubljanskem gradu. Vabljene vse institucije, skupnosti, gospodarski subjekti in posamezniki iz Slovenije, regije in širše, da izkoristijo izjemno priložnost tudi za udejanjanje in širitev svojih interesov ter poslovnih načrtov, ki jih ponujata programa Investo Slovenija, Investo.si in mednarodna mreža International Investors Network Investo.net.
From a personal perspective, it's been an absolute delight. We love Ljubljana and driving through the country like we've done today and coming. I'm a sailor, so coming to the Adriatic coast here, I want to go sailing here. So it's absolutely delightful.
After a week in Slovenia, I realized many things. First of all, it's a very beautiful and it's a little bit conservative country, but this helps people in Slovenia to keep their country is so beautiful, so hospitable, and of course I'm happy to be here, and of course next time I'll try to be here once more.
We've been here for a few days. We've seen so much of Slovenia, a very nice country, very positive people, all over the senior management of the politicians and the industry of this country. That we have enjoyed the week goes without saying. That it has been useful is what I need to say. Now we have very good grasp of what's going on here. The Slovenian people have organized this superbly. I think that is what I would like to say about these days.